I would like to
Thank you,
call
ma'am.
our next presenter, that is Gautam S. from SSMRV College. Over to you, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to present the screen, ma'am.
Sure, you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. So, very good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Gautam from SSMRV Degree College. Today, I am here to let you know about Glad We Wishes Honey brand. So, Glad means happiness, we Wishes means lively. So, this is my honey brand. So, introduction. This is an apiculture beekeeping. Actually, apiculture means maintenance of honey bees colonies by humans in order to collect products like honey, bee wax, propoils, etc. A location where bee colonies are kept is called as bee yard. A beekeeper or keeps bees in order to collect honey and bee wax or to pollinate crops or to produce bees to sell to other beekeepers. So for this business, we need to think about initial consideration, that is initial setup cost, hives, honeybees, honey beekeeping equipments and premises, and next one is general business running cost and any item relating to the care of the bees. Then the last, land for beekeeping and determining the crops on the field. So for what and for whom and for where. So what? We offer service of pollination through honeybees and sell honey and its varieties to the customers. This service provides, it is by legally abide by the government. So who are we? For who is a targeted customer? Our targeted customer would be farmers who grow crops to lend them the bees for pollination, and friends who like to taste honeys. So where will our service be? They can buy or render our service in nearest store. We import our honey hives. So this is our SWOT analysis. So strength will be knowledge of beekeeping with the skills acquired from National Bee Board and KVIC. Weakness will be limited business experience of beekeeping. Previously, we had just 1 to 2 hives, which we took the honeys and we just gave to our friends and families. And now we are going to start it with larger expansion. So, what are the opportunities? As in our earth, there is a scarcity of insects for pollination. We have a wider scope in the business to lend the bees for farmers and to cultivate more crops. Threats. Disease for the bees will be the major threat and grown competitors. So pollination. When we talk about pollination, when it comes to pollination, in India, insects for pollination have been decreased. They use artificial pollinations by humans or by machines. In this process, there is a high wastage of pollen grains and high chances of losing good qualities, and unwanted characteristics may be added due to recombination of this process. So, to overcome this problem, we from Glad We Wishes have come for lending bees for pollination. And the investment budget, we have two types of bees, that is Serena and Mellifera. For two types of bees, we need certain different equipments and bees to produce different kinds of honeys. So our business cost of bee colonies will be for Serena will be 1,25,000, and for Mellifera it will be 1,75,000. So cost of 25 nucleus box will be 30,000 and 50,000. Cost of honey extractor will be 5,000 for Serena and Mellifera 7,000. Cost of 50 bee hives will be 50,000 and 1 lakh for Mellifera. So overall cost it will be 2,32,500 for Serena bee and 3,65,000 for Mellifera. So when we see market outlook, India exported 38,177 million ton of natural honey to the world, worth rupees 706 crores during the fiscal year of 2018 and 19. The industry is growing at around 15% century. The honey market is growing consistently at 30 to 40%, and there is scope for further growth as people turn to healthier food option. The per capita honey consumption in India is still quite low, 8 to 10 grams, compared to Europe. India exported 38,177 metric ton of natural honey to the world in financial year 2017. with United States, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Morocco, and Bangladesh being the biggest export. So to enter into this market, we from Glad We Wishes, we are going to export more quality and quantitative honey to other countries and bring our business more. So India's honey export to US in 2016 there was just 40%, and 2017 it has been racing from 20%, 20%. So I hope even our company will contribute to this and will make a good company. So different BI products. So from not only we render service to the farmers for pollination, we also produce many products from honey. That is honey spread, honey water, comb honey for cooking and baking, honeycomb lemon squash, honey mango squash, honey jam, honey candy, honey egg, honey ice cream. Like we have dairy products from milk, we are going to produce honey products from honey. So method of apiculture, typical movable hive. So for some places we are going to plan to keep hive permanently over there, and for some places we are planning to keep movable hives, so that in our India we have different seasons and different moisture. So to go on with, we have made this plan. So this is the plan of how the honey is going to extracted. And production of honey. It is not a direct plant product because the nectar, pollen, and cane sugar bearing secretion of flowers and ingested by honeybees and get mixed with the saliva undergo certain chemical changes due to enzyme action. Some ingredients are added to the mixture and reduce the water content. The whole mixture is collected in the honey sac until it reaches the hive. Honey is concentrated by strong current of air produced by rapid beating of workers' wings valving over the cells. So this is the procedure: breeding of bees, collecting of honeybee, honeycomb, honey pitching, filtration, storage, and ready for use. So we have taken the help of this many agencies, that is Agriculture Products Export Development Authority, under the agency of Ministry Commerce and Industry, helps to promote exports of honey, and National Bee Board, which gives training to our employees. Whenever we need, we take help from them, and they contribute overall development of scientific beekeeping in India. The Central Bee Research and Training Institute, Pune, provides training to beekeepers. Head office in New Delhi, training held by NBB 23. And Khadi and Village Industry Commission provides training and development several appropriate technologies suited to India beekeeping in rural areas. These agencies help us to develop more kinds of bee varieties, and they give proper training to our employees for our safety and for well-being. Conclusion: production of honey has been the major aim of the industry. Modern beekeeping also includes production of bee wax, bee collected pollen, bee venom, royal jelly, propolis, as also of packaged bees, queen bees, and nucleus colonies. About 10,000 tons of forest honey are produced annually. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Gautam. It was a unique business plan. Now I request Anil sir to take over.
Thank you. It was a nice presentation, Gautam. It seems to be a very good and supportive project for farmers. And do you get subsidies for this project?
Yes, sir. We get from National Bee Board.
So what is the subsidy percentage? Can you just let me know?
It will be around 35%, sir.
35% subsidy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And great. I just saw your honeybee production. You call it. You can call it as a product life cycle or honey life cycle, whatever it is. It was excellent. So, what is the target of your production target?
Production target now we can produce 10,000 tons annually, sir. But I need to reach it to 20,000 to 30,000. We'll let our product brand reach the entire world, sir. That is the main target. And one more thing is, in this I have planned for a community service for the well-being of our farmers also, because nowadays many farmers deals with this due to less insects in our country. They face problem in pollination. If well pollination happens, we'll get a good fruit or vegetable. Even for oil also, sunflower and mustard and all, the insects is very much needed, sir. So I can give farmers in very cheap price for pollination, sir. That could be this is a service oriented and product oriented company.
Okay. Before giving service, you just create an awareness in the villages, right?
Yes,
About
sir.
your project, and you just conduct some kind of workshops or orientations or seminars, and you educate them. Then you just try to push this project to them by giving subsidies so that this farmers can have this beekeeping in their land. It will be a multi agricultural this thing, so that it can also bring some kind of extra income for them.
Yes,
Is,
sir.
is, is that what is your plan is all
Yes,
about?
sir. It is the plan, and with us, NBB will guide us and gives necessary skills to farmers also, so that
Okay.
we both can have a good economy wise also. Even country development also, we can contribute some part from our company, sir.
Okay. So can you just explain something about control and monitoring? Because once you give the products or services to the farmers, so how do you monitor and control things? And do you have this option called as buyback? You buy the honey back from them, and you do the packaging and marketing and sales, or the farmers themselves can directly get into the market? What is the strategy and plans for the
The
marketing and
strategies
product
are, there
sales?
are two types, sir. So first one is, we will make sure that if the farmers are comfortable with giving their space to us for keeping the hives and everything. So like that, if they are providing, we won't charge them anything. So they can use if they produce some 5% of honey, they can keep it 2%, and they can sell it to their villages, and remaining we will take and produce it. We will take and we will repack it and resell it to others, sir.
Okay, it's a joint venture project, right?
Yes, sir. If that is not possible, we can collect some fees for service of lending the bees for pollination.
Okay, and is your company taken approval from FPO? Do you have this FPO license?
Yes, sir. We have
Because
taken a license from food.
you do have license for that,
Yes,
right?
sir.
To do the marketing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
We have it.
So which are the okay? So first you're going to meet the demand of the domestic, and then you will proceed to international, or simultaneously you're planning for domestic and international market?
Simultaneously, sir, because in our country there is more supply of demand, but we have to majorly look on competitors. Mainly nowadays the competitor brands are Dabur honey and such honey. They say the ingredients are very medically proven that this, but if we taste the honey, we'll get to know the quality, sir. So once the people taste our brand honey, they definitely will come to our brand, sir. So there is no need to worry about the competitors.
So you don't need to worry about the competitors. You're not worried about them, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Gautam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gautam. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you.
the wonderful questions. Yeah,